Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create viral videos with consistent character using Veo3 completely free. So watch till the end. Let's get started. Type flow in the search bar. Click on the first link. Click create with flow. Now click on new project. Here you go, the Veo3 is logged in. To create consistent character videos with Veo3, just ask ChatGPT, give me cinematic prompts for Veo3 using character name like Spider-Man, Batman or Bigfoot. I'm going to show you a Bigfoot video. Now to make Bigfoot video, just ask ChatGPT something like this. Create a cinematic prompt for Veo3 with Bigfoot as the main character in mysterious scene. Now the ChatGPT will give you a perfect prompt that you can copy paste into Veo3, simple as that. After that, choose the fast mode to speed up the generation process and select the option 1 and remove all the spaces from the prompt and press the enter. So finally, here you can see the amazing results, realistic voice, stunning visuals, and your chosen character like Bigfoot is generated exactly as described. The best part is you can keep using the similar prompts to create more videos with the same character for the consistent style across your content. Here you can see all the video clips which I have generated with the same consistent character, but here I'm gonna give you a pro tip that if you don't choose a specific character, so you can't make consistent character in every video clip. And through Veo3, you can get perfect voice results in every video clip. So for the best voice results, you can use 11 Labs. If you have any query about this topic, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.